The Tesla Semi 2025 promises to be a game-changer for the transportation industry, with notable improvements in safety and reduced driver fatigue. Now featuring anti-jackknifing technology, drivers can rest assured that their brakes won't overheat on steep inclines, as the energy regeneration system converts energy back into the battery, making it far superior to a diesel truck. Drivers love this, as it offers an unparalleled driving experience. Elon Musk has confirmed that the 2025 Tesla Semi is the safest in its class and is set to revolutionize the transportation industry with incredible advances in efficiency and economy. With an energy consumption of under 1.6 kilowatt hours per mile, the Semi could help companies save up to $200,000 in fuel costs per vehicle in just 2 years. Impressive, right? But what's new in the final version of the Semi? How has it evolved with the latest updates? Elon revealed during the third quarter earnings call that the production version of the Semi is equipped with cutting-edge technology, bringing a number of improvements. What sets the Semi apart is its impressive battery, which consumes less than 1.6 kilowatt hours per mile. Instead of wasting a lot of energy, the Semi only draws what it needs. On a full charge, it can travel up to 500 miles, and if the battery is low, it can still go beyond that distance without having to stop to recharge. One of the most interesting updates involves battery management, especially in colder climates. Tesla has made significant improvements to the supercharging system for regions with freezing weather, allowing the Semi to recharge faster than ever before. It now has an automatic defrost system, both before and after using the supercharger, which heats the battery to optimize the charging process. This is essential, as temperatures below 20 to 25 degrees Celsius can reduce battery capacity by up to 30%, affecting range and increasing recharge time, which could add up to 10 minutes to a 70% charge, which typically takes about half an hour. In addition, studies have shown that lithium-ion battery voltage can drop by up to 10% in cold temperatures, degrading truck performance and drivability. Tesla has addressed this with an advanced battery warming system that heats the battery before charging, ensuring it reaches the ideal temperature for efficient charging. It's like giving your truck a warm coat, keeping it ready to go. A new update is also coming, with more exciting features. For RV users, Tesla will introduce more RV-friendly superchargers, with charging stations in various parts of the world designed specifically for those who need to connect or disconnect RVs when charging. Driving your vehicle, especially in icy conditions, can be a challenging and frustrating task. However, a new update is about to make things a lot easier. You can now easily check if a supercharger station is compatible with your trailer. Simply tap the supercharger icon on the map, and you'll immediately see which stations are suitable for your truck. Compatible stations will appear at the top of the list, providing a reliable guide to help you find the best places to charge your vehicle without any hassle. Tesla's blind spot warning system has also gotten smarter. Imagine you're in a parking lot about to open your car door when a cyclist suddenly zooms past or a vehicle speeds by. Don't worry, the improved system will flash warning lights, emit a sound, and even prevent the door from opening. Just wait a moment and press the button again to cancel the alert. This feature, which started in China, is now available globally, with additional features including detection of cars, bicycles, pedestrians, and even traffic cones. You can turn this feature on or off in the settings, demonstrating how Tesla's AI works to keep us safe. But that's not all. The update also brings some cool features, such as the ability to estimate the remaining battery life, letting you know exactly how far you can go before needing to recharge. Plus, there's support for voice navigation in multiple languages besides English. While this update is software-based, Tesla's safety has been significantly improved, with an impressive 94% crash fix rate based on real-world performance. Tesla Update 38 has already begun rolling out in waves, and currently about 27% of the fleet has access to it. The next update, version 44's, will be the final one and promises to bring even more new features, including support for Apple Watches. Many semi-drivers, including myself, are looking forward to the public release, which should happen next month or sooner. Speaking of safety, Tesla revealed in its third-quarter vehicle safety report that the Semi has an accident rate of 1 in 7 million miles driven, compared to the U.S. average of 1 in 700,000 miles. In other words, the Semi is showing a 10x improvement in safety over the U.S. average. Tesla has left no stone unturned when it comes to safety, from the reinforced cabin design to advanced rollover technology that ensures stability and safety even when the truck is fully loaded. Additionally, a driver monitoring system has been added to ensure drivers stay focused on the road. During the Q3 earnings call, Elon gave an update on the Semi, stating that the truck is extremely practical. While there are no new features or flashy design tweaks, Tesla has been working hard to refine even the smallest details in the Semi system, with a new series of improvements focused on safety and reducing driver fatigue. The highlight is the advanced rollover prevention software. While it may seem like an old problem, rollover incidents still happen frequently, and by improving these often overlooked details, Tesla is addressing everyday issues that have big consequences, making the Semi safer and more reliable. These small tweaks make a huge difference in the safety and well-being of drivers, creating a safer road environment for everyone. And for fans of Tesla's regenerative braking system, here's a surprise. It's been significantly improved. It now works in conjunction with Tesla's stability control and braking features to help prevent a common problem faced by large trucks, the dreaded jackknifing. The phenomenon known as jackknifing occurs when the trailer moves at an angle to the cab, like a pocket knife folding in on itself. It's a dangerous situation that every trucker fears, and it can result in major accidents, putting both the driver and others on the road at risk. Tesla's new anti-rollover software in the Semi is designed to address this problem by keeping the vehicle stable and under control, especially during emergency braking or on steep downhill slopes. This system helps keep the cab and trailer aligned, providing a safer and more relaxed experience for the driver and everyone on the road. Now, how exactly does the anti-jackknifing software work? Good question. Tesla's anti-jackknifing system works in conjunction with the regenerative braking system and advanced electronic stability control to ensure that everything runs smoothly. It's completely different from the conventional braking systems found on diesel trucks. The system is brilliant because it helps control the truck's speed by converting kinetic energy back into electricity, which is stored in the battery. This not only improves the truck's efficiency, but also reduces the reliance on traditional brakes, which can overheat, especially on long downhill stretches. In short, instead of wasting all that energy as heat when you step on the brakes, that energy is reused and recharged back into the battery, reducing brake wear. And best of all, it prevents overheating, a common problem with fully loaded diesel trucks. Studies by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, show that vehicles with regenerative braking can reduce brake wear by up to 40%, which means you're not only increasing the lifespan of your brakes, but also keeping everything under control, even when going downhill with a heavy load. The next highlight is the Electronic Stability Control, ESC, system, which can be compared to a super intelligent co-pilot, always monitoring every movement of the truck. The ESC is constantly analyzing the driving dynamics and takes action to maintain stability and safety. This system can reduce the risk of fatal rollover accidents by more than 50% when a vehicle collides with a large truck, which is quite an achievement. Now, imagine that you're in an emergency situation. The ESC automatically adjusts the brake pressure at each wheel to prevent total loss of control. It's like having an invisible hand guiding you to safety. When you're driving a large truck with a trailer, ESC ensures that the trailer stays perfectly aligned with the cab, reducing the chances of a rollover. This keeps the driver safe and stable on the road. For example, PepsiCo's fleet management report shows that the frequency of brake overheating issues has dropped by an impressive 80% since integrating Tesla semi-trucks into their operations. In addition, rollover incidents have virtually disappeared, proving the effectiveness of this software in maintaining vehicle stability. This is no small improvement, but a major advance in road safety, ensuring that the driver feels confident behind the wheel, as if they had an attentive co-pilot by their side, making it easier to handle tricky situations. The Tesla Semi is set to revolutionize the transportation industry by 2025. Starting from the ground up, the Tesla Semi is not just another electric truck. It's designed to tackle the biggest challenges in logistics and transportation. Think of it as the future of long-haul transportation, but with all the power you've come to expect from Tesla. With a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, it's clear that this truck has what it takes. For a Class 8 truck, which is the heaviest category, this is an impressive feat, something that even Tesla's biggest critics thought was impossible. Now, for those skeptics who think 500 miles is an exaggeration, real-world testing by companies like DHL has confirmed that the truck does indeed deliver that range. This milestone represents a major turning point for Tesla as it approaches its official launch next year. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this truck so special? It's not just the long range, but also the efficiency. Tesla claims that the Semi uses less than 1.6 kilowatt-hours per mile. To put that into perspective, traditional diesel trucks burn much more fuel to travel the same distance. This huge improvement in fuel efficiency could reduce costs by up to 50% for companies that rely on these trucks for deliveries. That could save companies up to $200,000 per year. The journey to mass production of the Tesla Semi has not been exactly smooth. Tesla initially planned to launch the truck in 2019, but there have been a few hiccups along the way. However, production is now officially underway, with a pilot assembly line set up near the Gigafactory in Nevada and construction of a second plant underway. This is a major milestone, as Tesla plans to manufacture up to 50,000 semis annually by next year, which will have a major impact on the transportation industry. But it's not over yet. Tesla is already looking to expand beyond the United States. Elon Musk has hinted that the Semi could also make its way to Europe. To ensure this happens, Tesla has already shown modified versions of the truck at the IAA trade show in Germany to ensure it complies with European regulations. The company has committed to scaling up production and making the Semi available to global markets by 2025. Major players in the logistics industry are already on board. Companies like UPS, Pepsi, Walmart, and Cisco have all placed pre-orders for the Semi, with UPS placing the largest order with 125 units. But it's not just about buying the trucks. UPS is working closely with Tesla to optimize the Semi for U.S. roads, analyzing route data and fine-tuning performance to maximize efficiency. This collaboration shows that these major companies are not just betting on the Tesla, but are seeing it as a long-term investment with significant savings. UPS, in particular, has already committed to using alternative fuels and advanced technologies. In 2016, the company committed to ensuring that 16% of its new trucks would run on alternative fuels, and the Semi fits right into that plan, delivering huge savings by reducing fuel consumption and contributing to a more sustainable future for logistics. You might be wondering why companies would buy this truck. The answer is simple: to reduce costs and increase efficiency. The Semi's 500-mile range and ultra-low energy consumption allow companies to save significantly on diesel fuel. Tesla estimates that companies could save up to $200,000 per year in fuel cost per truck, which is an attractive proposition for companies looking to cut costs. With diesel prices rising, the Semi's energy efficiency becomes even more valuable. Not only does it reduce fuel costs, but it also contributes to the growing demand for sustainable solutions in the logistics industry, helping companies reduce their carbon emissions while saving money. One of the most exciting possibilities for the Semi is platooning technology, where multiple trucks drive in convoy, with those following the truck in front, reducing aerodynamic drag and improving overall fuel efficiency. Think of it as a high-tech train on wheels. Platooning could not only save even more fuel, but it could also reduce the number of drivers needed, helping to address the current driver shortage. Tests in Europe have already shown that platooning works, and Tesla is planning to bring the technology to the US soon. When it does, it could revolutionize the way we transport goods in the country. Of course, it's not just about the truck itself. Tesla knows how to make these trucks work. But to make that happen, it needs a reliable charging infrastructure. That's why Tesla has partnered with major customers like Anheuser-Busch and UPS to develop on-site charging stations. These hubs will ensure that semis have fast, reliable access to charging, ensuring they stay on the road as much as possible. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a logistics professional, or just someone curious about the future of transportation, the Semi is definitely one to watch. It could be the spark that kickstarts the entire EV revolution in the trucking industry. With the introduction of more affordable superchargers and the anti-jackknifing system, what other innovations would you like to see in future Tesla vehicles? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the episode, hit the like button and subscribe for more.